There's a lot to consider when renovating or building a kitchen. Before you even start, make sure you have the right people, especially the right contractor, the right electricians, the right plumbers, and the right cabinet makers. We built 2 new stores in the last 4 years and updated an old brick building, and it's much easier, even fun, with good people. In this video, you'll learn the steps to choosing the right appliances for your new kitchen. This includes fuel type, whether it's gas, electric, or induction. Whether you want a range or cooktop with a wall oven. It includes how to ventilate your new kitchen, the new refrigeration you should pick, and dishwashers you may want to consider. At the end, we'll show you the best way to save money on your new kitchen and how to find the right delivery, installation, and repair services. When you're talking about renovating a whole new kitchen, you always start with cooking. Cooking is the only variable that changes the whole layout. The rest of your appliances fit cabinets and have little impact on the overall design of your kitchen. So let's do the cooking first, and then the rest will be easy. As we said, your first consideration in any kitchen design is whether you're putting a range or separate cooktop and wall oven. The fundamental questions you need to ask are, how much space do you have, and how do you like to cook? A range will centralize your cooking and save space, but you have more options to customize your cooking experience with a wall oven and a cooktop. You also don't have to bend down with a wall oven like you would with a regular stove. If you have the ability to choose your fuel type, gas or electric, realize many people have misconceptions about which fuel type is better. Gas is the preferred method of cooking for many chefs and people who love to cook. However, induction is faster with an instant simmer. It also requires less venting. Gas does give you different options like grills, griddles, and French tops, but for straight burner comparison, induction is better. In the oven, many people think electric is better. It is drier, for more precise heat that is better for baking. Gas, on the other hand, is a moist heat, so it's far better for roasting. Gas infrared is still the best for broiling as well. So it really depends on how you like to cook, whether you like to bake, boil, or roast. Ventilation is often poorly planned. It's not just about buying a hood, although that's important. You have to consider how you cook and what range is underneath. So if you like to wok cook on a professional burner, then your venting requirements will be different than if you cook mostly pasta on an induction range. Here's how to get it all right. The first consideration is CFM, or blower speed. This is how much air a hood extracts out of your kitchen. So a 600 CFM blower can remove 600 cubic feet of air per minute. However, you can't have a powerful blower and disregard the other factors, like capture area. If you truly like to cook, you want to buy a hood that's at least 24 inches deep because smoke is channeled and then extracted. Smoke will billow past a shallow hood no matter how powerful the blower is. Then you have to worry about the ducting. First, it should be simple, either straight up or straight back. Every elbow or transition will greatly reduce blower effectiveness. Secondly, you want to use properly sized ducts to maximize airflow. Refrigeration can be confusing, but remember, it fits standard cabinet cutouts. There are a lot of terms: integrated, built-in, freestanding, French door, 4-door, and more. So let's go over the basics. Freestanding refrigerators are the most common. Quite honestly, they look like refrigerators. Your biggest decision is sizing. After that, it's your choice of regular or counter depth. Counter depth is a nicer look because the refrigerator doesn't protrude in your kitchen and you don't see the unfinished sides of your refrigerator. There are also different styles. The most popular is French door, and now you can buy them with 4 doors or with a drawer underneath. You'll see tons of options, but remember, they'll all follow standard cabinet sizes. Just be aware of the varying heights. Built-in and integrated refrigerators are more upscale than regular freestanding types. Visually, built-in and integrated are polar opposites. Integrated refrigerators are designed to look like your cabinets. In fact, it's indistinguishable from the cabinet itself. Built-in emulates a more professional design. It's more of a statement piece in your kitchen. Both come in different sizes, with integrated columns allowing you to customize your refrigeration with freezers and refrigerators in sizes 18 to 36 inches wide. You can also completely customize your refrigeration with specialized wine refrigerators or under-counter units designed for wine, beverage, or any refrigeration combination. Once you get past refrigeration and cooking, Everything else is much easier. Dishwashers fit 18 and 24-inch cutouts, the most common being 24-inch. With dishwashers, you're looking for style, location for the controls, stainless front or panel to match your cabinets, and features. There are a tremendous amount of new washing and dishwasher options in dishwashers today. You can maximize your savings by buying into one brand. The rebates increase with the amount of pieces purchased. Buying the same line also coordinates the look of your appliances in your kitchen. Now that you've picked out your appliances, the hard part begins. Delivering heavy appliances on increasingly soft floors through narrow spaces is an issue. You have to make sure that whoever you contract can do the job, because delivery can get complicated, from damage to basic install to even having the right insurance in case things go wrong. Click the link above to review our delivery checklist before you buy anything from anyone. Installation also become an issue in recent years because appliances are tougher to install. You want to make sure you know who's installing it and whether they have recent experience in doing so. Most appliance dealers and manufacturers don't employ a single repair technician. Before you purchase appliances in your area, you want to make sure you know who will be fixing them, because statistically, you'll need service within the first year on a kitchen full of appliances.